Alrighty, hello everyone, welcome to episode 151 of the castle, where this morning I'm eating a pie because I couldn't resist the tasty taste of pastry. This is our first load for the day, and there's the castle over there. We're going to try and make a little bit of progress. I must say, look at this post. This is a tall post. It's one tall boy indeed. The castle over there isn't even the height of this little post, but one day maybe it will be. Oh.
Fireball, fireball, 1, 2, 3. Whoosh, burn, sizzle, heat all over me. Fireball, fireball, 1, 2, 3. Light the ground up, make the bad guys flee. Fireball, fireball, 1, 2, 3. We are too busy to be bothered by thee. Omnis, I bothered, force to dear foe. Up, 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 only direction of the globe. Ice, ice, man after ice, ice, baby.
Oh, blurry.
Tasty chopped up leaks from the furt lady. Crown going rusting, so I bind it up with copper. RBJ ready when they send in a chopper. Trip wires hiding in the sand on the beach. Trip my pressure plate, whole parliament gets impeached. They could have chosen peace, but they went and chose war. Opening the tab.
Oh, that sun is bright. There's the castle and there's the sun. And we've got a load of stone to unload. Oh, that's blurry.
On the old Navy Corps, men in black satellites. Might be silly malachite tax, more like extortion. They about to feel the blinding lights. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Now the army's on fire like paper dough. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Like take the toll road and don't pay the toll. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-la. In your lobby doing a forward roll. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Hack your whole hospital, then take your soul. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-la. 1 + 1 = 2 plutonium. The deadly altars the pole. Put the puppet prime minister in your court. Make them do a little dance and then contort. Whole puppet government just to put on a show. And when they get wise, make the capital glow. Danley, oh whoops, no I mean someone else. Definitely not Danley taking your political hell. It's not Danley, so put it out of your mind. Danley was never here, look at you, also behind. Call me hot-headed and you getting close. Einstein condensate harder than.
Oh, we're slowly eating into this little pile. If you see the top there, we're taking a big old chunk out of the circular island. Now we're going to take another chunk out of the other side. Eventually, we're going to move this entire island out to the castle. At least that's the plan.
Burn up your plasma to the 5th state of matter. You set up a crypt and awoke the Mad Hatter. Alice, 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 wakey, wakey, wake. Turn over the bay, you're running, cause an earthquake. Malice, Malice, Alice, shaky, shaky, shake. I do a little wiggle and incinerate the face. Googly eyes and I put them on everything. Spiritual spies got them watching, watches every week. Squeak, squeak, mouse and fox says hi. I hurl a fireball and they say goodbye. Terminator prophecy recorded down in Ptolemy, an isolated nation that forgot the generosity. Watchers of the watchers, watching watchers. Level pyramid, quite an oddity. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-lo. Now the army's on fire like paper dough. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-lo. Now take the full boat and don't pay the dough. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-lo. Then your lobby doing a forward roll. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-lo. Hack your whole hospital, then take your soul. Fireball go whoosh, tra-la-la-la-la-lo. 1 + 1 = 2 plutonium. Deadly altars the pole. Put a puppet prime minister in your court. Make them do a little dance and then contort. Whole puppet government just to put on a show. And when they get wise, make a capital glow. Danley, oh whoops, no I mean someone else. Definitely not Danley taking your political belief. It's not Danley, so put it out of your mind. Danley was never here, look at you, also behind.
It's a sunny day, and I like it that way. Keep building on with no pay. I'm gonna build a castle from the first castle's remains.
Oh, look at that lovely day. There's a little helicopter over there. You can barely see him, but he's hovering. Wonder if we can get him on zoom. I see him just crossing over now. Oh, always hard to spot. Too blurry.
I'm working all day, then I'm working until midnight. Bioluminescent waters glowing, building till around me water's flowing. The water glows when I walk on it. I feel like Elsa on the graveyard shift. Diamond sword for Skelly slaying, burnt bone dust, come
Right, I collected my first load of sticks for the day, just from the side of the beach. I piled it all inside my little wheelbarrow, and now we're going to wheel it across over there and use it to reinforce the wall. We're building the southern wall now. Alrighty, so we've got the regular height of the wall, and then we've got this little section that I've just been working on now, which is a teeny tiny bit higher, but we need the sticks to ram in between the stones as a mesh to stop it reaching the angle of repose and falling over. So that's what we're going to try and do. I might actually just dump all these sticks out here first and then get some more stones and then start weaving them in.
Wheeled all night, standing on the water under the moon in the dark. Swing my sword at the phantoms, gotta get the membranes fast. 3 days no sleep, building a portal to the past. Collecting up obsidian, already got the flint and steel. When the game enters the real world, Stanley will make them all lean. Guess who is back? Back from the dead. Castle resurrecting's got all 8 pawns to the end. When you don't play like a gentleman, when you lack common sense, when you forget your manners, I appear beneath your bed. If you can't make polite sound, if you destroy, then cannot be.
No way, a biplane. You don't see very many biplanes around these days. It's mostly just Cessnas and that. But that right there is a little biplane. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the camera very well. I can barely see if it is. There's a biplane flying over my castle. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Alrighty, so I managed to make the wall, and if we measure it, it's up to my, like halfway. It's halfway up my height, so it's half of my height, which I think is how high a wall should be, at least to start. And there's the comparison of what it was, and there's today's progress. Okay, we're going to do some rock ball. I'm going to give my best shot at rock ball.
Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins, now I'll get some gold doubloons.
Sonic in my source code, Omni kicks a hard road like an Enderman. Take them all out solo, safety in numbers, thinking they can plunder. Then they come for me, they disappear in the thunder. Lightning crackling, I grow like a sapling, strong like a tree. It's a forest they are battling, tasty little treats, salmon, cheese, and meat. I prefer fruit while I'm sitting in my seat, causing me of all their fears. Their projection makes their tears. Cozy little nest, pile of fluffy grass. Built my cozy nest so I can rest at last.
Underneath the full moon, my weapon is a teaspoon. Made myself some muffins and now I get some gold doubloons.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, and a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine and I build.
Alrighty, I'm going to call that the actual end of episode 151. I did some rock ball with some wooden swords, and I made this cool little section of the wall, at least, and I did add some stone to the center, but it's barely noticeable now that it's just so big. When you add one to the center, you just sort of just disappears, but you can kind of see the difference where I went from that level to that level on this section, and then up to this height on this other section. And you can tell the progress by the length of shadow. Here we have the shadow of the regular wall, and then here we have the shadow of today's progress wall. As you notice, it is exactly 1 hand's length.
Boom, made myself some muffins and now I'll get some gold doubloons.
I'm a daily just chillin' with a gym rat grinning. I lift 1 stone, 2 stones, and a million. Real life Minecraft back inside the mine shaft. Real redstone in my hand and now I run fast.
So I mine and I build.
I dig holes, now I build my own guild.
So I mine and I build.
Crossbow fishing for the fish
Until I'm filled.
break into my PC like stealing a DVD. I'm the Trojan horse. Now your botnet is my news feed. Fruit salad can satchel charge. Now we're playing Rust. Hexamine and nitrogen. Nitric acid turn my enemies to dust.
Don't worry, just a prank, bro, like the prank you played on me. It's just a little napalm, don't worry about that tree.
Get rat news, get rat news. I'm really good at pranks, but I never touched a boob. Just a normal human, nothing to see here. So whatever you were thinking, don't think it here. Look into my neuralizer, I was never here. You said that I can't, I say hold my beer. Just kidding, I don't drink low.
Okay, bye.